guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to show you the other part of the sine, cosine, finding the missing side in the right angle triangle. Yeah, I don't know whether I should pick the speaker like this, finding the missing side. Maybe I should just, finding the missing side or right angle triangle, which is this one. Some people say they are not hearing me in the comments, so that's why I'm putting the mic here. So you can see that is 12 on 13. Now 13 is the hypotenuse, right? I have not put the angle theta, just a minute. You can see where I put the angle theta. So why is the opposite to this? It should be this. So this is the opposite, okay? This is the opposite, because we always have to look at it from here, opposite to this angle. So this is opposite, that's the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent. So we want to find the adjacent, this side that is missing. So according to Pythagoras theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So I've labeled this is a, the adjacent a, b is this one, which is the opposite, and that's the hypotenuse, which is c. We're using that formula. So I came down here, I squared 12. Let me see. From there it looks twisted opposite. Yeah, this is 12. I squared 12, and then which is b, according to Pythagoras theorem there. I don't know whether it's difficult to speak on the mic while I'm demonstrating. You can see what I've written down there. You can see 12 squared plus x squared is equal to 13 squared. 13 is the hypotenuse, and x is the adjacent to that angle theta. And then we have 12. Now 12 is the opposite, right? So you can see that. Then now I've squared 12, which is 144, plus x squared, which is the adjacent, which is a, and then it's equal to c squared, which is 13, which gives 169 down there. Now I've done the substitute, the maths, right? 169 subtract 144 and isolate x squared. Now because the space is small, maybe I have to wrap this one and then I'll show you further. Actually, I've already done it here. 169 minus 144, it gives you 25. So you find the square root of this, which is 5. So x squared is 25 according to Pythagoras theorem. So when you're gonna find the square root of this, it will be 5. Okay, which means 25 plus 144 will give you 169, and that this side now we have found it to be 5 according to this formula. I hope we are together. I gave the angle theta here. Let me remove the mic. I gave the angle theta there. You can see the angle theta, and the opposite of it is 12, which is the opposite, and the hypotenuse is 13. It means x is the base. This side which we are trying to find is the base. So I squared this and squared that one and follow this formula, Pythagoras theorem, which is this one. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. We know the value of c is 13. We know the value of a. Is that a or no, b? Right? And this is 12. So the 144 plus x squared is equal to c squared, which means when you square 13 you get 169, which is this one, and when you square 12 we get 144. So what are we going to do to find this value? Because these two make up that one. We don't have this value, but we have that one and this one. It means we have to subtract to know which value this stands for. So 169 minus 144, which comes from here, 12 squared is 144, 13 squared is 169, and a squared plus b squared means this side squared plus this side squared will give you that side squared, but you already know the value here is 12, but you don't know this value, so that means we'll square this and subtract this one and then find the square root of this one, and that is 5. That's how we arrived at 5. So similarly you can do the other one. Suppose you don't know the opposite, right? Suppose you don't know this, you label it x, then what do? It means you have to square this one, 169, you square this will be 25, you subtract 169 minus 125, it will give you 144, and find the square root of 144, then you get 12, the value of 12. So that's how you find the sides of the missing side of a right angle triangle. And it depends where the angle theta is. The angle theta can be there. If the angle theta is there, then this will be the opposite. If the angle theta is here, then this is the opposite. This is 90 degrees. Okay, guys? Yeah, so I think we'll land it here. And we do more. I think there is not much left really in this solving this type of problems of right angle triangle and the sine and cosine. I've shown you all this stuff. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.